Hello, this is Mike Swanson. I run the website WallStreetWindow.com. And what you're watching is a new segment of Crypto Straight Talk. And it's time to talk about what's going on in Bitcoin and the smaller coins because this week it's historic. When Bitcoin went above 70,000, it achieved financial history. What we're witnessing now in the crypto market is the biggest financial speculative bubble in terms of market capitalization in human history. It's it's absolutely amazing. Now, congratulations if you own these things. I'm not telling you they're about to crash. I think the bubble may get bigger. It's likely to get bigger, but I think it's time to take pause to really think about the size of it and how big it has become. And I got to show you exactly what I'm talking about for you to believe it. So this is the website coinmarketcap.com. And what it lists is Bitcoin and all these other smaller cryptocurrencies here. But a market cap is defined by taking the price of something, multiplying it by the number of shares, or in this case, coins there are involved, and then you get the market cap. Price times X equals market cap. And as things stand now, the market capitalization for Bitcoin stands at $1.4 trillion. $1.4 trillion. And for comparison's sakes, if you take a look at the market cap of silver, it is $1.39 trillion. So just 10 days ago, all the silver in the world, all the physical silver in the world was worth more than Bitcoin. But today, as I'm doing this video, Bitcoin, a virtual asset that you can't do anything with in the real world, you can't hold it, you can't do anything physical with it. That virtual asset, it's a virtual currency, is worth more than all the physical silver in the world. Now, these other cryptos, though, when you add them to the mix, you get a complete market cap of the entire crypto market. I'm talking about when you include stock coins like these that you see here, a Taylor Swift coin, a Catgirl coin, the R-Trade coin, the Pepe coin, the DChat coin, the Floki coin, Tether, BNB, Cardano, Dogecoin, Shiba, Avalanche, Polkadot, Chainlink, Polygon, Toncoin, Bitcoin Cash. Do you think any of these things are useful beyond simple price speculation? I would assert to you the only reason someone is buying something called Cosmos that's a cryptocurrency is not because they think they're going to be able to use it as money, not because they think it's going to be a store of value or something that they're going to hold on to their life, but as a pure speculative investment. They see Bitcoin going up, and they therefore bet that these smaller coins will go up too, or start to go up and catch up with what Bitcoin's done. But anyway, if you take Bitcoin, all these other coins, combine them, the value of them all together, you get a market capitalization of $2.7 trillion. It's increased, as I'm doing this video, at over 5% in just the last 24 hours. Now let's stop and put things in perspective. I don't know how long you've been actually trading these markets. Most people who've been trading these crypto coins are new traders, especially they're coming in now, but they're not coming in this year. They came in 2020 or after the March event of 2020. They got on Robinhood. They use apps to trade crypto, and the gurus out there are telling them that this is new, this is innovative technology, it's going to change the world, it's going to replace the dollar, all other currencies will disappear. these are all stories that there's no basis in reality to any of them. I've done videos before demonstrating mathematically that there's absolutely no price correlation relationship between the price movements of Bitcoin and the US dollar at all. So that said, I've been trading these markets since the 90s, and back in the 90s, when I was day trading, as people are day trading these coins, I was doing it with internet stocks. At that time, internet stocks were the most speculative things you could buy. And we were told at the time that it was historic, the amount of speculation, the prices of these internet stocks, the entire market cap of the internet stock industry was enormous. And almost all internet stocks vanished, don't exist anymore. The companies went bankrupt. Yeah, I mean that were big high flyer stocks back then. Sure, Amazon's around, Google's around, Yahoo's around, eBay's around, Pets.com is gone, and many of the others are shades of what they were in 1999 or imagined that they would become. But regardless, what I want to show you is this is if you weren't involved in these markets back then, you should read this Wikipedia entry. Just type .com bubble Wikipedia and read the whole thing. You need to know financial history if you want to be a long-term winner in these markets, and not just a flash in the pan trader, because the short-term trend that you're seeing now in the market will one day change. I don't say it's changing that tomorrow. I think that things are going to go higher, but the day will come when the bubble will bust. And the thing about that is the dot-com bubble at its height, and we're talking about probably what were 1,000 individual internet stocks. That stock bubble was worth about $1.8 trillion at its height. And after it peaked, that bubble deflated by 75%. Let's just say it was about $2 trillion. Well, at its height. Well, look, the cryptocurrency market has surpassed the valuation of the internet stock bubble in 2000. What happened after the internet stock bubble bust? Well, the entire NASDAQ went down for 2 years. The entire stock market had a horrible bear market for 2 years. And while that bear market went on, money came out of the most speculative assets, which many of these companies went bankrupt, and it went into safe havens. It went into the bond market, and it went into the gold market in particular. In fact, the price of gold outperformed the NASDAQ from March 2000 for well over 12 years. And silver became a huge investment. You could buy silver for like $7 in the year 2000, and by 2012 it was trading at $50. And I'm going to tell you that yes, it's fun to see what's going on in Bitcoin, but recognize that this is a historic now financial bubble, and it's absolutely amazing. And it means the consequences when it does go bust, and again, not this week, not this month, I think prices are going up, but when it goes bust, money is going to come out of that bubble. It's going to go in safe havens. And that means, I believe, that owning this, think about physical assets. This is a 10-ounce bar of silver. I would rather pay $250 for this. This is what this is roughly worth right now, than $70,000 for a Bitcoin. And I'll tell you that the time will come in the future that silver will go up when Bitcoin is going down, and silver is already starting to trickle up. You're seeing that. You're seeing gold break out and silver start to play catch up. So money can be made in silver and gold as everything is going up. But the time will come when the crypto market deflates and precious metals will explode in value. Combine all this together, and silver stacking is a strategy I'm employing, and it's an investment strategy I think that makes all the sense in the world, not simply for a short-term day trade play, but something you can buy now, expect it to be up at the end of the year, expect it to be up at the end of next year, and the years to come after that. And that's exciting to be a part of. And the thing about the gold, too, which I also own, is gold is less volatile than the stock market, and it's poised to do very well. So absolutely historic times in these markets. If you want more analysis like this, you enjoy it, let me know. Hit the like button. And if you want the next video from that I do, hit the subscribe button down there, and hit the bell you see next to that. And YouTube will send you an alert as soon as that next video is up. And I'll be talking with you later.